Hey, what's up you guys? Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Gigi and I welcome you to my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia CARLI BYBEL palette to create this look right here, and honestly I've used this palette a couple of times already. It is probably one of my favorites. It's so beautiful and it's really CARLI. I've been following her for a long time and I love her makeup, I love her content, and I think she's so beautiful, so amazing. So if you want to find out how I got this look, how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I already have my eyebrows done, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the CARLI BYBEL and Anastasia palette, and I'm going to be going in with the shade called BYBEL and applying that all over my crease.
Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me.
The next shade is called OA, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid.
No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
And then I'm going to be applying Libra right on top of OA because I do love the finish of this shade.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apology.
And now I'm going to go in with chai just to smooth out the edges. For mascara, I'm going to be using Revlon's Volumazing mascara, and this has quickly become one of my favorites. I did go ahead and do a winged liner for this look, and the liner I'm using is by KVD Beauty, and it's the tattoo liner, and it's really amazing. For lashes, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes, their premium synthetic line, and I'm going to be using the style Orlando.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections.
For primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Putty Primer and just applying that all over my face, and especially where I have large pores.
No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest.
For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 118. And I'm going to be blending that out with a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. It is in the shade Light, and I'm just going to be using that to apply on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and under my eyes.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections.
For powder, like always, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder. This is one of my favorite powders. And I like this more even than the Airspun one that I originally loved. And I'll be using this setting powder under my eyes, on my nose, and just anywhere that I was concealing.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love.
After leaving the powder on my face for a quick minute, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off and get ready to set the rest of my face. To set my face, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder and just apply that anywhere else that I didn't use the Kylie translucent powder. For today's contour, I'm going to be using the KVD Shade and Light Face Contour Palette, and I'm going to be contouring my cheeks and my five head.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay.
Just to clean up a bit of that contour, I'm going to go back in with the translucent powder and just apply it right under it.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
For blush, I'm going to be going in with the Ciate London Illuminating Blush in the color Matchmaker, which is a beautiful, pretty rose color. Going back into the CARLI BYBEL palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Bible and just apply that on my lower lash line and smoke it out.
Can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
For highlighter, I'm going to be using the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter in the color Star Island, and it's described as a warm ivory. And I'm just going to be applying it to the top points of my face, which is my nose, my cupid's bow, my cheeks, and I'm also going to be using it as an inner corner highlight.
Of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections and so.
For lips, I'm going to be using the NARS Cosmetics Velvet Lip Glide in the color Swing.
Inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, cause you make me love my imperfections.
So guys, this is the final look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn off the notification post to see whenever I post a new video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.